Alright, what is up developers, and I just filmed a couple of shots here in the office I just acquired, alright, and it's super exciting. I'm super pumped and I want to show you how it looks, okay? Very quick vlog today just to show you how it looks. Let's get started right now. So I just entered the office I got, okay? This is the place I'm gonna be working, okay? And here's my setup. I just have this for my phone, and then I downloaded Claude because I'm gonna need Claude for a couple of research, and he just told me how's my day. Amazing. And then of course I got my Visual Studio Code because as front-end developer I usually code on it. And you got my keyboard and my mouse with a mouse pad, and that's pretty much it as a starter. So next I went to the kitchen and I thought of getting something. I grabbed the glass and I was thinking, should I get a coffee, a tea, but I just said let's just get some water because it's my first day over here and I don't want to be like that guy who just comes like this and start drinking and eating and all that stuff. So I just went to this mini fridge and got some fresh water, and that's pretty much it. And I want to show you the view of this place. The best thing in this place is the view. Let me show you. So because we're at the 7th floor, we have the privilege to enjoy an amazing sunset and amazing view. Check this out. Knowing that I'll be enjoying this view at the end of every day here in office is super fulfilling, because my eyes get tired really fast when I code and it gets very overwhelming with like hours and hours of coding. So having this view ahead is very amazing. You know, these moments when you think about all the work that you got and all the stress that's around your life, and you think about the next day is going to be better and the next day is going to be better until you see the results popping up. Well, these thoughts, you get them right now in the spot when you see that sunset. Now, I know there's nothing much going on in this vlog, but I promise the next ones are gonna be insane. I'm gonna be showcasing my life as a software engineer working in this office. So if you wanna support me, you can give me a like and it would support this channel so much. Anyways, it's time to check out and call that elevator so I can go back home and edit this piece of content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I have so much more vlogs coming up in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next one.